So far we discussed about the linear equation in two variable in the standard form. Now let's discuss about the solution. We are so much interested in the solution that for what values of x and y in this case we will be getting LHS is equal to RHS. That we want to find it. So first of all, let's start with one equation. Let's take one equation which is 2x plus y is equal to 2. Okay, this is not in standard form, no worries. And I want to get this solution of this equation. Now remember, in case of linear equation in one variable, we were getting only one value of the x, only one solution, right? And let's see how many solution do we get in this case. Here, for this solution, we will be having one value of x and one value of y. Remember, that will be the solution of this equation, right? So how to get the solution of the equation? So how shall we do? First of all, we will make any of the variable as the subject, right? In the terms of another one, like say here 2x plus y is equal to 2. Now always try to make the subject variable which has coefficient 1 if possible, right? If possible, if you have here 3y, then there is no choice, right? But now I have choice. So I'm going to make y as the subject. The reason behind that is I have 1 as the coefficient of the y. So what will I do? I will shift 2x that side. So let's start. So y is equal to 2. This 2x is positive. So it will become negative in this case. So y is equal to 2 minus 2x. Equation is same. Remember, I have just simplified. I've just changed its position with the loss. Now, y is equal to 2 minus 2x. This is the equation. I want to get this solution. Now, what will I do? I will be taking some values of x and then I will be getting values of y. So, first of all, let's start with that part. So, I'm just making one table. So, x here and y here. First of all, let's start with value. Let's take 0 first of all. Let's start with the 0. So first x is equal to 0. First x is equal to 0. So let's write this equation. Y is equal to 2 minus 2x. This is the equation. Now what are we going to do? We are going to substitute x is equal to 0 into this equation. So 2 into 0, right? So 2 minus 0 will be 2. So when we take x is equal to 0, what do we get value of y? That is 2. So this is the solution of the equation, right? If we want to cross check it, right, for LHS and RHS, let's do that as well. So we'll understand in the better way. So for this solution only, now what's the first solution? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So let's write x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Let's start with the LHS. LHS of the equation is 2x plus y. So 2 here, x is what? 0, y is what? 2. Here it will be 0 plus 2. So the final answer is 2 and that is RHS, right? So it's being verified. We started the chapter that getting the solution and verification. Same we are doing for the two variables. That is, this is the equation 2x plus y is equal to 2. We get one solution. We verified as well, right? Every time you are not supposed to do that, but I have explained that whatever solution we get is correct solution. It's not incorrect. Now, here we can get another solution as well. How? Let's check it. I can get the value of x, that 1. I will take value of x is equal to 1 in this case. Then I'll try to find the value of y, second case. So let's do here x is equal to 1 I will be taking. What's the equation? Y is equal to 2 minus 2 into 1. Why 1? Value of x is what in second case? That is 1. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. Okay, so if I take x is equal to 1, I'll get the y is equal to 0. Now, in case of linear equation, in one variable, we were getting only one solution. You take any equation in one variable, you have only one solution. But see, here I have one solution and another solution. I need to verify this. Is it correct or not? I need to verify it. Is it possible that I can have more than one solution? So let's start here. What is the value of x? That is 1, and value of y in this case is 0. So what is my LHS here? Okay, let's write from here only. LHS is equal to 2x plus y. So 2 into 1 plus y, that is 0. So 2 plus 0 will give me 2, that is RHS. Very simple, right? So this solution is also valid. Now what is the meaning of it? We are getting more than one solution when we have linear equation in two variables. So this is the conclusion, that we are going to get more than one correct solutions. Basically, we are getting infinitely many solutions. How can I say that? Now see over here, you take any value of x, there will be value of y related to it, and you can take any value, means n number of values you can take it. 0, 1, 2, 3. You can take -1 as well, -2, -3, right? Any value you can take it. You can take decimal as well, 1.5, 0.5, right? And you related to that, you are going to get the value of y, right? So it depends that how many solutions you want to get it. So this is a very common question. How many solutions we can get for linear equation in two variables? We can get infinite solution. That's the conclusion of this method, the topic that we discussed. We can get infinite numbers of solutions for the linear equation in two variables. Remember that. So what we did, we get the equation, and if whatever you want to get the solution of, make first of all equation in this subject, right? Like any of the one variable as the subject, and try to prefer, if you have 1 as the coefficient, any of the variable, make that variable as the subject. Not always compulsorily y or x. People do that. It's okay if you are prefer to make always x or y, that is also accepted as far as you are getting the correct solutions. Then take the values of the variable which is on the right side, right? You take 0, 1, try to take the smaller one, right? No need to take the very bigger one. Some students take 20 as well here in this case. Whatever you do it, your answer is going to get correct only, right? If your calculations are correct, right? So try to take the smaller one. 0 and 1 is very interesting. If you put 0, one term will be out of the equation only, right? 0 it will be, right? That's an advantage of taking 0 and 1. 1 you know very easy. Anything you multiply with 1 remains same, right? And 0 doesn't exist, even like number is going out of the equation. That's better. So this is the reason that I have taken 0 and 1. You can take other numbers and try as well and check it, that what are you getting as the solution. So conclusion of this topic is that we are getting infinitely many solutions for this linear equation in two variable. Now let's discuss few problems related to this topic. Let's solve few problems related to solutions of linear equation in two variables. We discussed how to get the solution of a linear equation in two variable, and we also learned that there are infinitely many solutions of a single equation that we have in two variables. So let's start. First of all, let's start with the most simple one. X is equal to 2y. Here we are not supposed to make anything in the subject because it's ready-made, right? It's not that I'm not going to do, but it's ready-made. X is equal to 2y. You take the value of y, right? Now here you can also do like this as well, that y is equal to x by 2. You can do that. That's up to you, right? Some people are having habit of making y as the subject always, right? I will not prefer that. Make the subject variable that is easier for you. Okay, so I will be keeping as it is. Let's not change it. So we'll take the values of y, and as a result we'll get the value of x. So let's start taking values of y. Now we need to get 4 values of y. 4 values. Why? Because we want to get the 4 solutions. You can take any 4 values, 0, 1, 2, 3, that will work out. I will be taking negative as well, positive as well. If you want to take all positive, that is also accepted as far as your calculations are correct. Okay, so let's start. Let me take 1 minus 1, then 0, then 1, and last 2, right? As I want 4 solutions, I have taken 4 values of y, and for each of them I am going to do the calculations and will get the value of x. So we will be having 4 solutions. Let's start with the solutions. First of all, let's take y is equal to minus 1. So what's the equation? X is equal to 2 into, instead of y, what we will write? Minus 1, because that's what we have taken. So here it is minus 2. So what is my first solution? When you take minus 1, you get minus 2. Simple. Let's do the second one. Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 2 into 0, that is 0, right? So you get 0 as well. Very simple. Let's move on to the third solution. Y is equal to 1. Let's take y is equal to 1. So you get x is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay, so you take 1, you get 2 as the answer. And last, we have y is equal to 2. So here, let's write y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 into bracket 2, that is 4. So what is the solution over here? That is 4, right? Now see, observe the relation. We can see x is a twice of y, right? Whatever value of you take of y, you just need to multiply by 2. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. 0 multiplied by anything, we know very well, it is 0 only. 1 multiplied by 2, 2, and 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, right? So that is very simple relation. This is very simple calculation. Always make this table. That's easy to get an idea that these are the 4 solutions, right? And always show your calculations. Very important. Few people avoid that. That is very easy, but always show your calculations for your work. So this is how we find this 4 solution for the given equation. Let's discuss next question.